Now this is the problem number 51 for in GATE 2018. Here is the circuit where this is the inductor, capacitor and resistor. The value of the resistor is 100 ohm, value of the capacitor is 100 microfarad, and the inductor, no value is given for the inductor, and this current is IT, and the voltage between the point A and B is Vt. Now here it is told that omega is 100 radian per second. The inductor current It is in phase with Vt. Okay, the magnitude of the impedance between A and B. Okay, first we have to determine the magnitude of impedance. Okay, impedance between A and B, say this is Z. Okay, so if this is XL and this is XC, uh, what will be Z? Z is equals to this JXL, okay, plus, and these two are parallel, say this is R. Okay, so R into minus J XC divided by R minus J XC, right? Now if I do this, okay, now J XC XL plus I will multiply the denominator and numerator with R plus J XC. So this is minus J R X C into R. So this will be minus J R square X C and plus into minus minus J square equals to minus 1. So this will be plus X C square, right? So this is, oh, this will be R into X square. So if I separate this imaginary part and real part, we have R X C square divided by, this will be R square plus X C square minus, okay, we have say this is J X L of minus R square X C divided by R square plus X C square. Okay, now it is said that inductor current IT is in phase with Vt. That means no lagging or leading. So no lagging or leading means this circuit is in resonance condition. So resonance condition means the imaginary part will be 0. So this part is equals to 0. Now the magnitude of the impedance is now only this part. Okay, so if I put the value of R 100 into XC, XC will be 1 by 1 by omega XC. Omega means 100 into XC means 100 microfarad into 10 to the power minus 6, right, divided by this 100 square plus 1 by this 100. Okay, 100 into 100, 10,000, and if I take this 10 to the power minus 6 here, 10 to the power 6 here, this is 10 to the power 4, and that is will be 100. Okay, now I can write this as 100. 100 square, and this will be also 100 square. 100 square. So this will be 100 square divided by 2 into 100 square. So we can cancel, we can just take this as 2 into 100 square. So we can cancel out these things, and 100 by 2 is equals to 50. So the magnitude of the impedance between A and B is 50.